welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how we can properly format the spacing when we're using the FM format mask, when we're using things in like the toChar function, so we can extract out different things like dates and stuff without having too much space attached to that. And so we've got a couple different examples right here we have with a dual table query, so we can go over that. As you can see, I've got my query right here. I've got select toChar sysdate, and then FM day, FM month, FM disp, and FM year is too much FM. I know, silly. And then toChar sysdate of FM day, month, disp, year, only one FM. So one FM on that or less is better. And that and we're going to select that from dual. So go ahead and play that query right here. And you can see right here, I've got extra space right here on this versus no extra space over here, and the less FM is better. So we have a better approach to that. So we only need one reference to the FM to properly remove the padding between spaces. We can see that again right here. If I add another FM on this in front of month, I'll rerun that same query, and boom, now I have that extra space right here in between, just like I did earlier. And so we don't want to have that. So again, we only want to use the one FM marker on that when we're working within, trying to remove the padding from our spacing, from our fields inside that. And so when you're working with FM on your queries, if you're trying to take spacing out, you only need one FM in that per query. If you have, for example, multiple calls to toChar, then you would possibly have an extra thing for that. So if you're putting together a compound piece of information, or if I wanted to put this as a combined statement, I can go ahead and comment this right here, and we'll do a toChar. So I can add a quick little another query for that. So I can do toChar sysdate FM day is pipe keyed with toChar's FM month. So I run that query right here, and boom, now I've got the less is better, and then I've got the over here, Friday is February. So I can grab that information and extract that out of it properly. So unless I have multiple calls to a function where I'm using that FM on that separate part of that thing, you only want to use one FM per call. Hope that's helpful and useful. Cheers, see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.